If you always cannot stick the tempered film well and are afraid of exposing personal privacy, that suggests everyone can use this anti-peeping tempered film. Now teach everyone how to stick a good anti-peeping film. 1. Tear open the cleaning bag according to the serial number. Use a number 1 alcohol cloth and carefully wipe the screen oil and dust, especially at the edge gap position. Otherwise, white edges may easily appear when applying the film at the back. 2. Tear open the number 2 cleaning bag. The non-woven fabric inside can dry the screen and keep it clean. 3. Gently stick away any dust that falls on the screen with a dust removal sticker. 4. After tearing off the release film of the tempered film, it is necessary to quickly align it with the hole position and stick it properly. Otherwise, static electricity will be generated after tearing, which can easily adsorb dust in the air. 5. Swipe the screen with your fingers to help accelerate the exhaust of the tempered film. After pasting, the anti-peeping tempered film features high definition and high transparency on the front, and anti-peeping on the side to protect privacy. It can also effectively protect the screen from edge gaps. The screen is smooth and smooth. Water droplets are full and round. The surface is scratch resistant and wear resistant, leaving no scratches. Choosing a good anti-peeping tempered film not only protects the phone screen, but also protects personal privacy with such high quality tempered film. Are you really not choosing it?